Happy birthday to you.
Dummy, I think we're ready. Oh, how long have you been waiting?
I don't know, like an hour and a half at least.
Probably. Are you sweaty?
It's so hot. Like when I saw the pin location and I saw it's in the middle of the desert, I knew this is gonna be very warm, but didn't expect it to be this warm.
Okay, let's go. Take my hand. Here. And we
Are you
walk
laughing?
forward,
You blindfold.
and then you walk backwards.
You blindfolded me and you think I know where your hand is?
Let's keep
You're
going.
not pushing me into a pool or something, right?
I mean, let's see.
I could expect that from you, so I'm just checking.
There might be a surprise at the end of here somewhere. Keep going.
Surprise at the back?
Yeah.
Best birthday ever? How long did it take you to do that? If I was here since like an hour and a half ago, and you said you guys were here since 6 a.m.
Yeah, it took like 3 hours.
So whatever is there took 3 hours.
Wait.
So I do have best.
Wait here just a little second. Okay. I'm gonna give you something in your other hand. There. Hold that. And then we're gonna keep
Paper.
going. Mm-hmm.
It's paper in a
That's one of the surprises, and
in
there's
a, in
another
a
one.
weird shape.
Backing up.
Oh, it makes sound. Look, wait, I think I put it here. It makes sound like Kinder Surprise. I get a truck full of Kinder Surprise.
Hell yeah.
That's a dream of every child, isn't it?
Might be a puppy, might be anything.
It's gonna be puppy?
Could be a camel.
I'm getting huh?
Wait, just a second.
Oh, so don't take it off?
No.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, take the blindfold off.
Oh, it was so hot under that.
And open the little package.
I can hear sounds behind me. It's a car key?
Might be.
And there is no logo on it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can turn around and see what it is.
Oh my, I'm stressed. No!
Surprise!
Is that what I think it is?
Might be.
No. Really?
Happy birthday!
No, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So is it what I think it is or is it not? Or do I have to unbox it to find out?
You might have to open it.
So 3 hours of your work just for me to rip it all open.
Worth it.
No way! No way! It's Lee L9 with my nameplate on it from EVexperts. This is the best birthday ever. I am just having a little bit too much fun with this. It's like Christmas dream of every child. Whoa, you went properly around the fenders, huh? Even the side mirrors? You wrapped the side mirrors.
That's why it took so long.
Wow, now I understand the 3.5 hours and the hour that I was just dying in there. Oh my God, it goes through the entire roof. How did you manage this?
I just called EVexperts. You know, one of them so bad and they had one, so they hooked us up.
I wanted this car for about 1.5 years now. And I called them and I was like, listen, I really want one. When it is in stock, let me know. So you called them to let you know it's in stock, not to call me?
Yeah.
There was a guy passing by who was like, okay, I'm getting to the back. model it is, I will take it.
Only the best for you.
Guys, Dami officially has her own Li Auto L9. I want to open it. You're hiding all the paper in there. Well, good thing that this is 332, I think, yeah, liters of storage at the back, and 1,191, if I'm not mistaken, when you put the seats out, so there's enough space to put this paper. So you packed it and I have to pick it up?
Yeah.
For one of the seats. Now second seat goes down. Perfect. So not only I'm going to be driving my friends around, finally we can actually go for a road trip where it's not just 4 people in the car, but we know we have a lot of storage.
7 hours later.
Come in. Wow, the seats are super comfortable. These are cooling, heating, and massage seats, and they have 18-point hot stone massage. Yeah, so it's like a full-on house or a spa on wheels, basically. That's why I loved it so much. It's super comfortable to drive as well. So here, I have the AC. I think it's here. Yeah, the button is here. This fridge. There's so many speakers around this car. I will have to do a proper review, probably tomorrow or something, because all I see is speaker, and there's several more speakers on top of that. I was like, guys, let's see the third row, but see the third row? That's the third row. But what we can see is the first row. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've been this happy for a very long time. It's like a dream come true, not gonna lie. Ah, this is mine! Oh, this is a space. This is space for your key. Then I see 2 wireless charging pads over here. The vents, please vent on me because I'm hot. Dual screen over here. Emma, you can watch YouTube videos here, and Billy, and play games, and annoy me while I'm driving. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just raise my hand up, because this sensor here will make me stop your music, your movies, or anything you're gonna be watching. And the steering wheel, I know I'm parked, 35 kilometers. Oh, hybrid fuel electric, so it's a touch screen. Nice. Power mode sport, low, comfort, exterior light. Wow, I love this. And Lee over here, it's so soft. The layer. Ah! I love this. We have sunroof, and then the back has a sunroof as well. Oh, I love this. Storage over here, cup holders. There's more storage down here, which is amazing, and 2 more cup holders, because I usually drive, if I have a passenger, everyone has 1 bottle here, 1 bottle here, and then if we get coffee or anything, you miss extra cup holders. So here you have 2 at the back, 2 at the front, and you can use both, because I mean, driving and doing this is super easy, so it doesn't even require you to turn around. Look at the amount of paper. Then there's paper covering the camera here, because that's the top of the tailgate. And the rear, oh, wheels. Ooh. Okay, this side is pretty cleaned. Now we have to clean this side. This is above. Wow. 3D. Oh, look, I did a 3D, and I can do 3D. Even the 3D shows the paper on the ground. And then we can do 2D and back to 3D. 2D, you can go normal, and wheels. There's the front, back. First time ever starting and driving my new Li L9. And then drive. It immediately showed on the touch screen over here. Heads-up display. Yes! Oh my god, this is amazing. It's so soft. This car is so soft. I loved you. You were a great car. But bye-bye. We leave him here? No. no, we pick him up. I love my BMW. I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think? Best birthday ever, or best birthday ever? What do you guys think? Let me know in comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think I'm gonna have to do a full review of this car anyway, because just look at it. So I'll see you next time because it's time to go and celebrate my birthday. Bye bye. I love you.